Today I just want to show you how to update Ubuntu machine. So first we are going to open the terminal. Let's type sudo apt update, press enter, just enter your password. And now, once it finishes, we need to upgrade the installed packages. Okay, so we just wait. Okay, so now let's go with sudo apt upgrade. Press enter. Just click yes. We are almost there, guys, so just a few more minutes. Okay, guys, our Ubuntu machine is up to date, so let's reboot the computer. So just type sudo reboot, type your password. So we are back, just type your password again. Now your machine is good to go.